afternoon and happy hiking Friday. We are back in the Columbia River Gorge, and today we are doing a new hike, and we're actually in part of the gorge that got burned several years ago in the Eagle Creek fire. It's really sad to see all these trees just burned, but today,
we're at the go for it.
Today we're doing the Elowah Falls.
Ewok Falls.
Cut that.
Ewok Falls.
We are actually going to see two waterfalls today, the Elowah Falls and also the McCord Creek Falls. So it is about a 2.4 mile round trip hike.
Like 832 feet, something like that.
Yeah.
So good exercise.
Yeah, good exercise. It's a beautiful dry day out here in the Pacific Northwest, which is awesome. So let's get going and try to beat this rain.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What the? Alright, this is gonna be fun. Oh my god, this is slippery and slippery, slippery slap. Whoa! Woo! Slightly dangerous.
Oh my gosh, this is slick shoes.
Yeah. Oh my.
That was so gorgeous.
Oh, I'm soaking wet. It's going up there. Ugh. Oh, this just got awesome. Here we go. Oh, somebody went down there. Ankles. Feeling something in my ankles. What is it? It's like tingly. Wanna hold my hand? Oh, Here we go. Oh, okay. Just stay up here. Okay. Oh, we got past it. Don't mind these big rocks that just fell down. Don't mind those. Let's just go. And she's okay. Congratulations. You just gotta go that way.
Back here.
You go back to the car, that's all.
Just that's okay.
Okay, let's go that way.
All right, that is Upper McCord Creek Falls. It is a 64-foot waterfall, and it flows down into Elowah Falls, or what they call McCord Creek Falls.
Or
and
Ewok Falls.
Ewok Falls. And that one is 213 feet. That is it for our hike. Now time to head back down that scary cliff ledge.
Yeah.
And back to the car. And then what's after that?
Bears.
Bears.
What?
All right.
Let's go.
Such a fun, awesome hike we did today.
Amazing waterfalls. Oh my god.
Oh, and it was super easy too. 2.4 miles, 794.6 feet in elevation. I mean, it was just slow and steady. The only downsides is there was some down trees you have to climb over and sharp, slick rocks just because of the water.
Yep.
But other than that, it was so worth it.
Beautiful.
And we only saw, what, maybe four people the whole time. So nice. Awesome for a gorge hike.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures. And we'll see you on the next video.
Time for some beers. Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is slick shoes.
Yes, slick shoes. Are you crazy? Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Switchbacks, 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 both switchbacks.
Oh, switchbacks.
It's a video full of switchbacks and waterfalls. Somebody went down there. Oh, don't lean on it. Oh, he broke that tree on the way down too. Amazing! Water that's falling!
What?
Yeah.
Really easy hike.
Yeah.
It was only
Waterfalls. Shit.
to say something.
Won't say nothing.
Well, what a fun, amazing day that was.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah. You're not even in the shot.
Nope.
Okay, let's do this again. Oh my god. Okay.